In 2002, FCI mechanical and signal integrity engineers made a revolutionary leap in connector technology by inventing the Airmax VS Connector system. Previous to this time, all high-speed connectors contained metal shields, which added complexity of manufacturing and cost to a connector. This overview presents the Airmax VS product family and describes some of the unique advantages to a shieldless high-speed connector. FCI delivered the first customer Airmax VS shipments in the summer of 2003. This presentation will review the signal connector features, product availability, and Airmax VS accessories. Airmax VS was the first shieldless connector. When introduced, it had the best electrical performance of any high-speed connector in the market when measuring insertion loss and crosstalk. The design follows the Hart metric equipment practice. It offers high density for a given daughter card pitch. There are numerous variations of the 3, 4, and 5 differential pair products. FCI offers both genders, including vertical headers, right-angle receptacles, and vertical receptacles, right-angle headers. In addition to back panel, coplanar, mezzanine, and I/O products are available. All products are press-fit eye-of-the-needle contacts. The elimination of these shields allowed FCI to offer a superior product at a cost basis that is best in class. Airmax VS has achieved considerable success in the marketplace because Airmax VS delivered the high density and high speed at a very competitive price, unique advantages to a shieldless high-speed connector. The heart of the Airmax VS connector system is the IMLA, or Insert Molded Lead Frame Assembly. Shielded connectors are limited in their design flexibility because the signal columns are fixed by the relationship to their ground or shield columns. As Airmax VS has no shields, connector column pitch can be on any center line. FCI currently offers 2mm and 3mm centered product, but other centers, such as 2.5mm, could be tooled. By using the 3mm column pitch, 2 sets of traces can be routed between columns, which can offer customers considerable savings by reducing board layer count. In addition to flexibility of column pitch, the Airmax VS offers designers the ability to transmit differential pair signals, single-ended signals, and power within the same connector and even within one IMLA. Connector costs may be reduced by customers not having to stock different connectors for differential pairs or single-ended use. Airmax VS offered system designers the most flexible high-speed connector in the marketplace. As previously stated, the signal integrity performance for Airmax VS is excellent. FCI has tested signals to 12.5 gigabits per second. There is a great deal of electrical test support available, including test cards, board demonstrators, and many electrical reports including HSpice and S-parameter file data. FCI will help customers with pin assignments to assure optimum use of this connector system. Since FCI introduced Airmax VS in 2003, customers have pushed FCI to expand the product portfolio to meet market needs. The following looks at the current product portfolio, which is always expanding. Please note that new product extensions are continually being added to this product portfolio. Always ask if you do not see the variation you require. A great deal of the available customer support information may be located in the FCI Electronics website under the Airmax VS microsite. It should also be noted that since its introduction, Airmax VS has had a superior quality record with no major customer quality problems or returns. The first product introduced was the vertical receptacle and right-angle header combination. Many data customers have appreciated the design of the protected receptacle on the backplane. 3 different differential pairs per column, including 3-pair, 16.7mm height, 4-pair, 20mm height, and 5-pair, 25mm height. Connector heights may be chosen for slot pitch limitations or for system airflow considerations. This chart shows the product availability by column pitch. Similarly, for the vertical header in the right-angle receptacle, the 3-pair, 4-pair, and 5-pair products are available. As shown in the picture, the vertical header may be ordered with a protective cover which also acts as a press tool for flat rock tooling during insertion to the board. With the availability of the right angle header and the right angle receptacle, Airmax VS supports coplanar applications for the 3-pair, 4-pair, and 5-pair designs. By combining the vertical header and vertical receptacle, a 12.5mm stack height mezzanine connector is available for the sizes shown. In addition, FCI has tooled a 5-pair 10 IMLA 26mm mezzanine connector on both 2mm and 3mm column pitches. Additional heights may be tooled based upon a market business case justification. FCI has licensed W.L. Gore to build Airmax VS cable assemblies. Present internal I/O availability is as shown. Other variations would be considered based upon the market needs. The internal I/O offering includes both the vertical header and right angle header with either passive or active latches. The headers are end-to-end stackable and have been tested to 6.25 gigabits per second over 3 meters without equalization. All Airmax VS connectors are RoHS compliant. FCI completed tests on various PCB coatings including copper OSP, immersion tin, and immersion silver. Tin lead boards were used as a control reference for the test. The lab test report is also available. As part of the Airmax VS family portfolio, power connectors and guides are also offered. The Airmax VS power connectors are available in a 1x2, a 2x2, and a 2x3 configuration. Multiple mating lengths are available on the receptacle side for first make, last break. The power connectors are rated at 80 amps and 150 volts per UL and IEC guidelines between adjacent conductors. The connectors are compliant with the UL finger probe test. Product drawings and specifications are available online. FCI offers 2 versions of rugged die-cast guides. The first is a 10.8mm module which offers the options of keying and ESD. Product is designed to fit next to the 3, 4, and 5-pair signal connectors. Both back panel and coplanar versions are available. The 7.2mm module guide is designed where board space constraints are important. The 7.2 is used for guidance only and is also available to fit beside the 3, 4, and 5-pair signals. Both back panel and coplanar variations are available. For customers that require many low-speed signals, the Millipax hard metric connector system will fit next to the Airmax VS system. The Millipax product family offers many product variations. This chart shows the nominal contact wipe distance in millimeters for all the products described. The most detailed and up-to-date product information can be found in the dedicated Airmax VS connector system microsite, which can be found on www.fci.com/Airmax. Thank you for your interest in Airmax VS.